Hello guys, today I will show you my new apiary. Here it is. Actually it's not done yet. I just tie it with the tire wire, and I'm still on the experimenting period because as you see, I put inside some of my plants is the water and some feeds. These are oregano. I put some bedding. I think this one is around 5 centi all around. These are my plants. Here is it. I need to close first, maybe my diamond doves will try to go out. Sorry for this. Hopefully it's enough. Here it is. This is like a shade. It's a good one. I'm planning to put some coils here, my bob white coils. But here I will try to put a wood. Maybe it's 2 centi by 10 centi. All around here, and they're also going straight there. Then after I will put a bedding same like this, so that their poo will not be messy. This is the nest for my diamond doves, and here's the water. Oh, I need to change it. The feeds. These two diamond doves, they are pair actually. Here it's more than 40 degrees, and as I told, I'm still experimenting how my birds will react to the hot weather, and fortunately they are okay. I will put also some sun here so that my birds will play on it. Here it is. As you see, I tried to tie this one. This is a pipe. It's maybe around how many mm? Maybe 15 mm pipe. Same like that. Here also. It was previously a hanger for clothes to make it dry, but I converted it into aviary. You know, when you have some pets, you need to be initiative. Here it is. This one I just made it. I pulled it. Not bad. Since there is an opening here, I put some steel. Oh, they are not still tied. I think the birds will not come out anymore. So this is the screen. Actually it's a scrap, as you see, but I tried to make it or to make them overlap. I'm trying to change, or I will try to change this one into steel, sorry, into wire, same like this. Very strong material, because some other time it will be damaged. this one, this door, it's for me, it's I don't know, it will be permanent or temporary, because I need to install a hinge or hinges for opening and closing it. Here it is. I'm planning to grow some of this, or to plant some of this. I don't know what plant is this. So here is it. Here it is, guys. Hopefully it will be okay. So my birds will be there also. As you see, my diamond dove, there you are, where it is there. Okay, so I think they will lay eggs there. I will put some nest there. Here, I don't know, maybe I will put enclosure here to separate some of them. I will try to close it. I will show you on my next video when I put some of my birds here, and also this one when I finalize this one. And I don't know, because this one is the opening, it's a little bit big size, or the opening are not good, and the birds, maybe they will come out. Actually, it's for the dog. I will try to use it here. So here it is. These are my oregano. There you are, guys. I hope it will be okay for my birds, and that's it. I will post the next video when I put inside my birds. Where's the lock here? Sorry for that. There you are. All you need to do is do like that. Temporary, it will be okay. So this is my new aviary, guys. I will keep you posted. Thank you.